Good morning, student. Now, in this class, we are going to see conversion, that means from infix to postfix using stack. In our previous lecture, we have seen the conversion manually. Now, we are going to see it with the using stack. Now, what is the algorithm to convert infix to postfix using stack? First of all, we have to see the algorithm. Suppose x is an arithmetic expression written in infix notation. This algorithm finds the equivalent postfix expression y. That means x is written in infix and we are going to convert it in to postfix, and y will represent the postfix notation. Now, our first point is step first is push left parenthesis onto stack and add right parenthesis to the end of the x. दैट मीन्स फर्स्ट स्टेप है, हम सबसे पहले लेफ्ट पेरेंथेसिस को स्टैक में पुश करेंगे. देन इन आवर सेकेंड स्टेप स्कैन एक्स, दैट मीन्स द गिवन एक्सप्रेशन. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्कैन रीड द एक्सप्रेशन गिवन एक्स फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट to right and repeat step 3 to 6 for each element of x until the stack is empty. That means अब हम एक्सप्रेशन को रीड करना शुरू करेंगे और वी हैव टू परफॉर्म द स्टेप 3 to 6 फॉर ईच एलिमेंट ऑफ एक्स until the stack is empty. जब तक एक्सप्रेशन में हमारी कोई ऑपरेंड या ऑपरेटर और पैरेंथेसिस एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है, we have to repeat the step 3 to 6. Now, what will be the step 3? Step 3 is if an operand is encountered, add it to y. That means if there is any operand find out, then we have to add it to the expression y in the case of operand. And step 4 is if a left parenthesis is encountered, push it onto stack. Now, if we are going to get left parenthesis, then we have to push it into stack, not in the expression y. Now, in fifth step, if an operator is encountered, then now this is the all about from the reading the operand and parenthesis. Now, if any operator is going to encounter, that means while scanning, if we got any operator, then first step is 5a, repeatedly pop from stack and add to y each operator on the top of stack which has the same precedences as or higher precedences than operator. अगर कोई ऑपरेटर हमारा स्टैक में रीड कर रहे हैं, अगर कोई ऑपरेटर हम इनकाउंटर करते हैं, देन वी हैव टू पॉप फ्रॉम द स्टैक. उसको हम पुश नहीं करेंगे स्टैक में, पॉप करेंगे स्टैक से और ऐड करेंगे वाई में. द कंडीशन इज द ऑपरेटर हैज सेम प्रेसिडेंसेस और हायर प्रेसिडेंसेस देन द ऑपरेटर. आई विल डिस्कस इट इन आवर एग्जाम्पल. नाउ और नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज 5b. 5b is add operator to stack. Add operator to stack and end of if structure. Now, our sixth step is if a right parenthesis is encountered. If a right parenthesis is encountered, then 6a is repeatedly pop from stack and add to y each operator on the top of stack until a left parenthesis is encountered. Suppose that जहाँ भी हमको राइट पेरेंथेसिस मिला, हम स्टैक को टॉप से क्या करेंगे, सारे ऑपरेटर्स को पॉप करेंगे स्टैक से और कहाँ ऐड कर देंगे, इसको वाई में ऐड करेंगे. कब तक ये पॉप करेंगे, जब तक until and unless we find the left parenthesis. जब तक हमको स्टैक में लेफ्ट पेरेंथेसिस नहीं मिल जाता, हम सारे एलिमेंट्स को पॉप करेंगे और ऐड करेंगे वाई में। एंड द 6B स्टेप इज रिमूव द लेफ्ट पैरेंथेसिस। अब जब हमको लेफ्ट पैरेंथेसिस मिल गया, देन वी हैव टू रिमूव दैट लेफ्ट पैरेंथेसिस। डू नॉट ऐड द लेफ्ट पैरेंथेसिस टू वाई। एंड इफ वी आर गोइंग टू पॉप फ्रॉम द स्टैक द लेफ्ट पैरेंथेसिस, देन डोंट ऐड इट टू वाई। वाई में इसको ऐड नहीं करना है। नाउ इंड ऑफ इफ स्ट्रक्चर एंड इंड ऑफ स्टेप टू लूप। यहाँ से हमारा लूप भी खत्म हो गया, यहाँ से हमारा इफ स्ट्रक्चर भी खत्म हो गया। एंड इफ वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द 5A, here we can see that repeatedly pop from stack and add to y each operator. That when we get the operator, then we can only pop when the operator is of same precedence or higher precedence. If this condition is going to false, that means the operator is of different precedence, lower precedence, then we have to add operator to stack. Then we have to follow the step 5B. We have to add operator to stack. Now we are going to see it with the example of expression. We can see that here there is the expression convert x equal to a plus b multiplied by c minus bracket d divided by e exponent f and bracket close, then multiplied by g, then again bracket is closed and multiplied by h into postfix from showing stack status after every step in the tabular form. Now if we are going to explain this with this table, then I think it will not more clear to you. So we are going to start the conversion from the start of the page. Now suppose this is the our expression x equal to a plus left parenthesis b multiplied by c minus again left parenthesis d divided by e and exponent f and close the parenthesis multiplied by g again close parenthesis multiplied by h. Now if we are going to convert, then first we have to make the table. In table we have to put symbol scanned. First is scanned symbol, जो हमने स्कैन किया है, स्कैन symbol. Second one is our stack. Second one is our stack. स्टैक स्टेटस को हम स्टैक में मेंटेन करेंगे. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज और एक्सप्रेशन, जो कि हमको कन्वर्ट करना है. एक्सप्रेशन वाई, दिस इज द टेबल. नाउ इफ वी आर गोइंग टू convert the expression, then we can have a plus, first of all our first algorithm, by using algorithm our first step is push left parenthesis onto stack. Now we are going to put left parenthesis into stack, and we are going to, first of all we have scanned a, and we are going to put the left parenthesis in stack. And now if we are going to talk about the second step, if scan x from left to right and repeat step 3 to 6 एलिमेंट, ये हम कर रहे हैं, स्टेप 2 रिपीट कर रहे हैं, स्कैन कर रहे हैं. थर्ड हमारा क्या, इफ एन ऑपरेंड इज इनकाउंटर्ड एड इट वाई. नाउ वी कैन सी दैट हियर ए इज द ऑपरेंड, ए इज एन ऑपरेंड, एंड वी हैव टू पुट इट इनटू expression y. Then we have to put a in expression. Now this is the first symbol is scanned. Now if we are going to again scan the symbol, then next symbol is plus. Now we have to follow the algorithm of our fourth. If a left parenthesis इज इनकाउंटर्ड, पुश इट इनटू स्टैक. लेफ्ट पैरेंथेसिस अभी हमको नहीं मिला है, हमें क्या मिल गया, ऑपरेटर. वी गॉट अ ऑपरेटर. देन वी हैव टू कम टू स्टेप 5. इफ एन ऑपरेटर इज इनकाउंटर्ड, देन रिपीटेडली पॉप फ्रॉम स्टैक एंड ऐड टू वाई each operator on the top of stack which has the same precedence or higher precedence, but there is the single operator in the stack. अभी हमारे पास स्टैक में पहला सिंगल ऑपरेटर है. देन वी कैन नॉट डिसाइड दिस इज द लोअर प्रेसिडेंस और higher precedence case. Then we have to move to 5th B, add operator to stack. Now we are going to add the operator into stack. Now we have added the operator into stack, and we are not going to delete anything from the stack. Again our expression status is A. Now again we are going to scan. If we are going to scan, then we encounter the left parenthesis. We can see that we are getting left parenthesis, and we have to go for our algorithm. In algorithm we have to follow the step 4. If a left parenthesis is encountered, push it into stack. Now we are going to push it into stack. So our next symbol is left parenthesis, and we are going to put it into stack, and our expression status is again A. Now I hope there is no doubt in these three scanning of symbol. Now again if we are going to take this on next page, then again we are going to scan, then we got the B. A plus and left parenthesis तक हमारा ऑपरेशन कंप्लीट हो गया. Now we find the B. A B is the operand, and we have to add the operand into Y according to our algorithm, the third step of our algorithm. Now this is our symbol. We get the symbol, and we have to keep this stack, and we have to Y, and we have to put the all of previous. We have put all previous symbol of page. पहले वाला हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पे. Due to the lack of space, we are going to continue with B. Now we are going to find the read the B, and when we have scanned B, then in our stack we have already left parenthesis, then we have plus, then left parenthesis, and when we got B, then we have to add it to Y. Now A and B is the value of our expression. Now again we are going to read, scan the symbol, and we get the star. That means multiplication. Now if we get the operator, then we have to follow the fifth step. If operator is encountered, then repeatedly pop from stack and add it to Y. Now we got here in stack we have to plus left parenthesis. After left parenthesis there is no operator, then that's why we have to follow this step of 5B, and we have to put the multiplication here, and our stack expression will be A and B. Now again we are going to scan the symbol, and we get the C. C is the operand, then we are not going to push it into stack. We have to add it into your expression according to your third step of algorithm, A, B, C. So now we have completed at the C. Now again if we are going to read the symbol, after C we have encountered minus. That means already we have done here symbol. This is your symbol. Symbol is scanned. This is your stack, and this is your expression Y. Now we are going to scan the symbol. We have done up to C. Now we have to scan the symbol minus, and when we get the minus, the stack status of stack is left parenthesis plus, then again left parenthesis, then multiplication, and now we are going to add the minus. When we are going to add here, put the minus, then we got there is two operator. There is two operator, and our stack symbol is, ये हमारा पहले था, माइनस से पहले ABC था हमारे पास. अब हम यहाँ देखेंगे दो ऑपरेटर होगा स्टैक में. दो ऑपरेटर हैं स्टैक में विदाउट एनी ब्रैकेट, एंड वी हैव टू पॉप द ऑपरेटर. Which operator will be popped? The higher precedence or same precedence. Then we have to pop the multiplication, and we have to pop the multiplication from the stack and add it to y, and we have to delete this multiplication operator from the stack. Now this is the our stack status. जब दो ऑपरेटर आया, हम हायर प्रेसिडेंस वाले को या सेम प्रेसिडेंस, जब दोनों सेम प्रेसिडेंस हायर प्रेसिडेंस होंगे तो हम उसको रिपीटेडली पॉप करेंगे. अब हमने पॉप कर दिया उसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन को. नाउ अगेन वी आर गोइंग टू स्कैन. वी गेट द लेफ्ट पैरेंथेसिस. अगेन वी गेट द लेफ्ट पैरेंथेसिस एंड आवर स्टैक स्टेटस इज here minus and left parenthesis. If we are going to, this is our expression. Now again we are going to scan the symbol. Then we got D. When we get operand, then we have to add it to y. Then we have to add ABC multiplied by D, because in the case of operand it will directly add it to the y expression. Again we are going to scan the symbol. Then डिवीजन ऑपरेटर है हमारा. यहाँ पे कोई ऑपरेटर भी स्टैक में नहीं है जो कि दोनों सेम एक साथ कोई ऑपरेटर नहीं आ रहा. देन वी हैव टू फॉलो द स्टेप 5B. 5B को फॉलो करेंगे. वी हैव टू पुट द ऑपरेटर इनटू स्टैक, and we have stored the operator in stack. Now our expression will be same, ABC multiplied by D. Now I hope you have clearly understand this step. Now again if we are going to see, this is our symbol, this is our stack, this is our y. Now if we are going to scan, then we get E. E is the operand, and our stack will be same plus bracket minus then bracket and division, and our expression will be ABC multiplied by D. And when we get operand, then we have to add this operand into expression. Now again if we are going to scan the symbol, then we have to find exponent operator. Then our stack will be parenthesis plus parenthesis minus parenthesis divide and your exponent operator. Now the exponent operator and division operator and the exponent operator is stored in our stack by using step 5B, and our expression is ABC multiplied by D and E. Now we have to scan the next symbol is F. Next symbol F, then we have to put our stack is same divide. So this is the exponent operator, and in case of our operand, we have to put the operand into our expression y. Now again if we are going to scan the symbol, then our symbol is right parenthesis. When we get right parenthesis, then we have to follow the algorithm step of algorithm 6B. We can see that 6a, repeatedly pop from stack and add to y each operator on the top of stack until a left parenthesis is encountered. Then we have to pop the elements from the stack and add it to y. Then first of all we have to write the expression a b c multiplied by d e f. Then we are going to pop the top on the stack from the top of the stack. top पे क्या है हमारा top पे exponent है. then we have to pop the exponent operator. then again we have popped the division operator and we get the left parenthesis. now we are going to stop the pop operation. हम तब तक पॉप करेंगे जब तक कि लेफ्ट पैरेंथेसिस नहीं मिलता है. लेफ्ट पैरेंथेसिस जैसे मिला हम लेफ्ट पैरेंथेसिस को भी डिलीट कर देंगे. अब हमारे पास क्या स्टैक में क्या बचा, लेफ्ट पैरेंथेसिस प्लस लेफ्ट पैरेंथेसिस एंड माइनस. अब हम सारे लेफ्ट पैरेंथेसिस नहीं, फर्स्ट लेफ्ट पैरेंथेसिस को डिलीट करेंगे, बाकी को रेस्ट विल बी सेम. नाउ दिस इज द स्टैक. now the until the right operation, right parenthesis. now again we are going to scan the symbol. then we have after the right parenthesis we have scanned the symbol multiplication. we have scanned the symbol multiplication. then ये हमारा एक्सप्रेशन y है. तो when we get the multiplication we have to put this operator in stack and we get parenthesis plus then again left minus and multiplication, and our stack status will be a b c multiplied by d e f and exponent function and exponent operator and division operator. now again we are going to scan the symbol g. next symbol is g and again our stack will be same as and operand will be added to expression according to third step of algorithm DEF exponent divide and g. now again we are going to scan the symbol right parenthesis. again we are going to pop the operator from the stack. then our stack will be a b c multiplied by d then e f exponent division g, and we are going to pop from the top of stack. top पे हमारा multiplication है. then we have the minus operator subtraction operator and we have deleted the left parenthesis. हमें left parenthesis तक scan करना है, that's why we have to delete the left parenthesis and our stack will be our stack status will be left parenthesis and plus. there is nothing. again we have scanned the multiplication. then our will be stack will be abc multiplied by d e f exponent g multiplied by and minus. so now we are getting the symbol h. then our stack is here and we get the abc multiplied by d e f पावर डिवीजन मल्टीप्लाइड माइनस एच. ये आप थोड़ा सा क्लियरली देख लीजिएगा, स्पेस कम है इसलिए हम इसी में कर दे रहे हैं. नाउ और फाइनल एंड लास्ट this is the last symbol of our expression. Then now we have to follow the first step of algorithm. And what is the first step of our algorithm is, push left parenthesis onto stack and add right parenthesis to the end of the x. Now we have reached the end of the x, that's why we have to put right parenthesis. Then we can see that we have to put right parenthesis. जैसे हमने right parenthesis लिया, हमें सारा का सारा ऑपरेटर जो है हमको यहाँ से हम पॉप करना शुरू करेंगे. देन वी हैव स्टार्टेड पॉप ऑपरेशन. देन आवर एक्सप्रेशन विल बी ए बी सी मल्टीप्लाइड बाई डी ई एफ एक्सपोनेंट डिवीजन जी multiplied minus h, and we have to pop from the top is the multiplication. Then first multiplication will take place, then plus. Or now we have popped multiplication, popped plus, and we have to delete the left parenthesis. Then our stack is empty. Now our stack is empty. So this is the step-by-step procedure to convert from the infix notation to postfix by using stack. And I hope you have clearly understand the algorithm and step of conversion. So thank you for watching.